डिप्रेशन और मेंटल हेल्थ गूगल जो है वो हमें एंडोर्स करता है एज द फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट फॉर द हेल्थ. बाकी obviously end में I would like to thank Phil for having me here, and I'm really excited and looking forward to put my bit in any way possible. Really looking forward to. Thank you so much for
suicide prevention, Dr. Anika Maksud. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, Minister of Health, Professor Saad Khalid Niaz, Senator Kareem Hawaja, thank you very much for supporting our cause. Indeed, it's a beautiful day for me. I visited Karachi after 20 years back. This is of really concern. I was really thinking about how much it's important to look for safety and to protect someone's life. What else could be more important than saving one's life? So this is what we are trying to do. Psychologist, I'm struggling past 20 years, letting people to know about how much it's important to think for complexities of human behavior. And from here onward, I was always looking for how possibly we can collaborate with certain partners where we can have a very consistent sort of research in a certain area. So with this professional statement, I was really looking forward to collaborate with Pakistan Institute of Living and Learning. And it was the time back in year September 2021 when my dream was about to, take its real shape. We collaborated with Phil and we established first National Center of Research on Suicide Prevention at Fatma Janam University. I would like to explain to all of you that we are working in alliance with Phil, and we do have some international partners. We are working with Manchester Global Cultural Psychiatry Research Group as well. Primarily, we are looking forward to initiate studies and those studies which are explaining different psychosocial predictors of suicidal behavior in our society. We are focusing on different
You have to look at his emotions. You have to look at his beliefs. You have to look at his commitments. He's incredible. He feels. ये उन लोगों के लिए फील करते हैं और उसके लिए इस तरह जिहाद पे खड़ा हो जाता है जैसे कि हम मेरे और आपके इमेजिनेशन बियॉन्ड है. He compromises his life. He compromises his personal time. He puts everything at stake. जहाँ कोई
सैन साहब, आपने एक बात कही कि क्रेडिट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ सिंध को मिलेगा, हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट को मिलेगा. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ सिंध इज नो डिफरेंट फ्रॉम पीपल ऑफ सिंध. So anything that's done by government of Sindh, the credit goes to the people of Sindh, including yourself. I don't have to tell you all, आप लोग सब experts हैं कि कितना बड़ा मसला है. So it's to all of you. Thank you very much.
Professor Nusrat Hussain, इसको पता माशाल्लाह global mental health का के he's one of the world leaders. He's also a founder member.
I'm not able to join in person. Again, it's such a pleasure to be with you all today. It's such a milestone, mashallah. और सुसाइड के हिसाब से मैंने अभी इंटरनेशनल एसोसिएशन ऑफ सुसाइड प्रिवेंशन की कॉन्फ्रेंस पे हूँ, which is the leading association. So it makes me so proud to be a Pakistani. कि माशाल्लाह जो रिसर्च पाकिस्तान में हो रही है वो माशाल्लाह इज इवेंट हर डी नहीं. कुछ लोगों ने कहा और बाकी जगह क्यों नहीं हो रही, लेकिन आई वांट टू शेयर विद यू ऑल कि जो सिंध में हो रहा है वो माशाल्लाह पाकिस्तान के दूसरे एरियाज में तो जा ही रहा है, लेकिन माशाल्लाह इन मेनी कंट्री जिनका मैं सेनेटर करीम ख्वाजा, उनका माशाल्लाह brilliant work is happening in Pakistan. And finally, our minister, बहुत शुक्रिया और इनकी ओपन डोर पॉलिसी का हम जरूर इंशाल्लाह फायदा करेंगे.
on this महंगाई same ratio.
उसकी सारी जो तैयारी है वो कर रही है और जहाँ तक हमें बहुत अच्छा सिस्टम होना चाहिए करना पड़ता है। आपका 9 बजे टाइम है तो आप 9 बजे आए लोगों से